Hey guys, welcome back to my channel here. This is Penguin Tech. Today we are going to replace this engine air intake hose here. As you can see, it's very loose, and I'll show you why. So let me just yank this out. As you can see, it's always detached here. So even though whenever I push it backwards, then after the drive it will always be loose, and we'll take it out and have a look why it comes off. So all you have to do is just yank it out gently, then pull it out. So as you can see, all the hooks here are gone, so it's probably why it's not sticking into it. And actually inside the hose here, there's a few holes, if you can see, that the hook should latch on, but because the hook is almost gone or already got off, then that's why it's never able to hook it up in itself. And then there's another grommet here that you need to take it out. So remember that, and then what you need to do is to put it here. So just put it here, so, and then slide it in. Now we have the new hose here, so as you can see, the hooks are still very much intact, and if we compare it side by side, I mean, it doesn't look so original because the mold here doesn't seem perfect, but as long as it doesn't detach itself, then I'm fine. So let's just compare the hooks here. So as you can see, this is all gone now, and this is all gone. And what I'm going to do is to install it. So yeah, just gonna push it in. And then this hook here should go into the rubber grommet. So let me just try to push it in, and then we'll come back later. So I managed to push it in. As you can see, it looks quite tight here. All I gotta do is to make sure to go into this hole. So then push it in. And then I need to make sure to let this go in again. So it looks very tight now. Everything looks fine. So yeah, that's about it. And I bought this thing for 50 ringgit, free of shipping on Shopee. So I hope this video is helpful to you guys and helps you in maintaining your Viva. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe and share my video if you find it useful. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.